Ever feel like you're drowning in half-finished cards when you try to make a big batch? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we'll share 6 quick tips to help you make cards in bulk without the stress and actually enjoy the process. First up, decide what you're going to make. The important thing is to start with a plan and go from there. Pick up 1 or 2 designs to keep it simple. This way you can stay focused and avoid decision fatigue halfway through. You can still change things up as you go, especially if you want each card to be slightly different. But the key here is to avoid drastic changes and stick with your initial ideas. Before you begin, don't forget to prepare everything you need in advance. Once you have an idea of what you're going to make, place all the supplies you need within reach so it doesn't cost you a lot of time while you're creating. Once you have a plan laid out, break your process down into different parts. Cut your cardstock all at once, do all of your backgrounds, and then work on your sentiments, and then your die cuts. It's way faster than finishing one card at a time. This might be one of the funnest parts of batch making. Now you have everything laid out and all your dies and backgrounds and stamped images are ready. It's time to assemble. Line up your supplies and work step by step. In no time you'll notice that you're flying through those supplies. We all know that card making can be so much better with company. Invite friends over, lovingly bribe some of your non-crafting family members, and you can do it together. The best part is you can split the work and enjoy some quality time when you're at it. Bonus, you'll finish twice as fast. Lastly, when you're planning a bulk crafting session, don't try to go to 100 cards at once. Start with 10 or 20. Smaller batches are less overwhelming, and this way you'll actually enjoy the process. And remember, you can always make more on another day. You've got this. Making cards in bulk doesn't have to be stressful as long as you plan ahead. Batch your steps and craft with friends for best results. You'll actually have a blast. What's your favourite bulk card making hack? Share with us in the comments below. Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.